I want to get one of those.
Well, that is a DeLorean on skis.
Come on. Runner goes, swinging a bouncing ball foul.
You never know what you're going to see in the cove. That is how that's better than a duck boat. I'm sorry.
Yeah, the wheels are a little on, though, don't you think?
Can't beat that in his garage.
One man hold back there. Seats only one.
He's having fun.
He strikes out to end the inning.